Hello and welcome to part 7 of QED's Data 2. Now we're going to look at correlation. So as it says here, we're going to use the PW core, which is the piecewise correlation, to look at the correlation between household size and monthly income and remittances. We can do all of these things at once. So bring that across into the do file we're working on. Got too many things open. So carry on with this do file. So again, put a comment on, so what you're doing. Execute that. And as you can see here, pretty low correlations when they're practically zero. So no evidence there that these things are at all related in terms of being correlated, which is surprising. But it could be that we're not showing anything up because we need to look at the number of adults rather than children, because the more adults you think would increase the income of the household. So we'll generate a new variable for how many households there are, label it, and work out whether that is correlated with income and remittances. So marginally stronger correlations. It's not very high, 0.13 is quite low between adults and monthly income. Remittances, very small between remittances and monthly income. But slightly higher here at least. But still not very convincing correlations. Another thing we can look at is this dependency ratio thing. So new variables for the ratio of total number of people to the working people. Just leave a gap. So it's created dependency ratio, per capita income, and let's do the correlations. So correlation between dependency ratio and per capita income is negative 0.785. 0.1785. So slightly stronger. Is a negative correlation what you'd expect? So pause it and think about that for a second. And the answer is yes, it is what you'd expect, because when the dependency ratio gets higher, that means there's more people to be looked after and fed for every person there is working. So it makes it harder to increase your income per person. So you'd expect that certainly as dependency ratio gets higher, the all things being equal, the per capita income will go down. So it is what you'd expect. Okay, I think we'll leave the transformations to the next video. So thanks for watching.